Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Shein haul. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? So today we're doing a Shein haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm into plus size fashion and I do a couple of short videos, reviews, mukbangs, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so hopefully you guys will come in, check out my content. So today we're doing a Shein video, as per se. I said it probably 3 times already, but thank you Shein for sponsoring this video. I literally just got off work. Okay, so don't judge the way I'm looking right now. But we all know Black Friday is like 2 days away. So I have a whole bunch of different items for you. Don't forget to follow and search all of my favorite shops that I'm going to show you guys today. Check out this discount code to save you some coins, and then check out this code so you guys can search all of my items that I've been shopping on Shein. Okay, so 80%, 90%, go shopping Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Even though I don't live in the United States, I'm in Canada, and we still get Black Friday sales because of you guys. So we appreciate that. Anyway, so let's get into this first pretty dress. Even though I feel super bloated, I just ate dinner, but either or, still love it. So it is rib material, 3/4 sleeve length. I'll come a little closer. Love the V-neck detailing. It has ruching on the side. It is 3/4 length, guys. It does come up mid calf area for me, and there's a little slit on the side as well. So, but yeah, this is the front of it. It's so comfortable. This is the back. Really nice, beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a 1X. So this is the first item. I have a couple of shoes, sweaters, and a pair of like tights as well, so don't go anywhere. Be right back. All right guys, so I ended up picking up a pair of kitten heel booties. Super comfortable. I did try them on. They do have a zipper in the back. I'll show you guys, come up close so you guys can see it. Pointy toe detailing, size 9.5. Very stretchy. This is the zipper. So it's a thicker heel. Super comfortable. I usually don't wear heels at all, and I feel like I can actually wear these like all night long and my feet are not gonna hurt. And I do have wide feet too, guys, so yeah. So super cute, size 9.5. They are wide feet friendly, very comfortable. Love the heel, great zipper, very stretchy on the ankle too. So yeah, on to the next. Let's get into these 2 new items. All right, so basically I got this really cute striped cardigan. So freaking cute for the holidays as well. It's giving me Christmas vibes. So it has buttons down here. Love the color. It's like a wine-ish reddish kind of color, or burgundy. Stripe detailing. Great length on the sleeves. It's cropped. I did size up to a 2X. I kind of wish I did like maybe even get a 4X in this. But I think with like a pair of high-waisted pants, you should be fine. Yeah, very comfortable. You can have it either open with like a nice little cute blouse underneath, or you can have it like this. Finally found a pair of fleece tights that fit me. This is the 3rd pair I've tried from Shein. So I ended up getting the largest size, and this actually had options for tall. So as you guys can see, it comes all the way under my boobs. Okay, love it. Super comfortable, very warm. It is an actual like pantyhose, so it does cover your feet because it's very comfortable. I love the fact that it's so high-waisted, and it's kind of like giving me like tummy control and sucking in my stomach, which I totally am in love with. But this is a go-to staple for the winter and fall season when you're wearing your skirts, your dresses. And it has tall girl options. So all my tall girls that are 5'9" and up, or that are around 230 and up, is perfect. And there's a lot of stretch to it too. So I love it. Finally excited. On to the next. All right guys, so of course I had to go get myself a sweater because you guys know I love sweaters. 'Tis the season of sweaters. That's all I wear is joggers, sweaters, tights, yoga pants, and that's about it. But anyways, so super cute, black, basic hoodie. It does come with a Playboy logo. Super cute, like silver little detailing. It has a great length too. I did get a 1X. I think I should have kind of got a size 2X, so it could be more bulky, but I have a lot of sweaters that are like really oversized, so I kind of wanted to have something that was more form-fitting. And this is actually, I don't know if it's like an actual sweater dress or it's like an actual just sweater. You guys will know if you search the code up here. You guys let me know, okay? But look at the back detailing. Oh my God, I love it. It has the Playboy sign as well, but a bigger version. And there's actual like studs, like silver studs that make the actual Playboy bunny logo, which is super cute. And there's studs here as well. So yeah, basic, cute sweater. I love it. Super comfortable. Love the length. You can wear it with a pair of tights, and you're out the door. On to the next. I know that I live in Canada and it's freaking cold and it's gonna snow soon. We actually had a snowstorm like last week, was it? Ugh, it's disgusting. Anyways, I had to get myself a pair of new winter boots. Super cute. I tried them on. They're size 9.5. They fit perfect. Very wide feet friendly as well. It has the grip on the bottom for the ice and the snow. Very warm as well. You know, little shoelaces, great material. And one thing I like about it too is that it's not like coming apart like the actual fur in the boot. So yeah, super cute, very comfortable. I'll let you go. I'm not excited for the weather, but I'm so happy that I got a new pair of winter boots. On to the next. Last but not least, I ended up getting these imitation UGG boots because I'm poor. Let's get into the shoes. So imitation UGG boots, size 9.5. I wish I sized down at least to maybe even 8.5. They're very big. Like when I walk, they're like flip, flip, flip. So I think if I doubled up my socks, I should be fine. But they're super warm. They have a thicker sole, guys. A little bit stretch on the side. And again, this does not come off on your socks or your tights. I tried them on already. But they're so big and bulky. I'm wearing space boots because they're so big. But I think I'll still wear them. And I don't care because Uggs make your feet look huge anyways. They're like freaking boats. But yeah, so if I would size down at least a size, okay? So if you're like 9.5, get yourself an 8.5. Yeah, on to the next. All right, guys, so that's the ending of my video. Kept it short and sweet for you guys. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on all social media, Curves and Confidence 1980 on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. What else is there? Yeah. Thanks again, Shein, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to search and follow all of my favorite shops. Black Friday sales, 80%, 90%. Use this code to go shopping, save you coins, and then use it. And then use this code to search all my wonderful items that I've been shopping at Shein. But yeah, go shopping, guys. Go and save you some coins. Black Friday, they have great sales. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.